In today's video, I'll teach you how to lock or unlock keyboard in Windows 10. So if you want to lock or unlock the keyboard, it is actually very simple. You can see over here right now I'm being able to write with the keyboard. That means it is unlocked. So if you want to lock it, for that what you have to do is press on the right shift key for 8 seconds. Now once you do that, this kind of dialog box will appear. You'll be able to see this question, do you want to turn on filter keys? What you have to do is click on the yes option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, your keyboard will be locked. Now no matter how much you type, you can see over here, you'll not be able to do it. And if you want to unlock it, what you have to do is press on the shift key again for 8 seconds. Now after you do that, you'll be able to type with the keyboard again. That means your keyboard has been unlocked. So like this, you'll be able to lock or unlock it. So that is how you lock or unlock keyboard in Windows 10. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.